What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. And in today's episode, guys, I'm just gonna go over my Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and my Cardano technical analysis. These are the coins I'm heavily watching at the moment. About 2 weeks ago, I posted a video on Litecoin and a video on Ethereum. Litecoin. I'm saying it's gonna hit 80, or definitely before 2018, and Ethereum 750. But first, let's take a look at the markets. Give this page a refresh really quick. Market cap currently sitting at 249 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 55%. Bitcoin up to 80. What do we have? 8,231. Up 1.5%. Ethereum up to 383, up 6%. It's a beautiful, beautiful day in the crypto market. Bitcoin Cash up 1,300, 11%. Ripple up 2%, Dash up 16%, Litecoin almost 3%, Monero up almost 20%, IOTA up almost a percent. Nah, not really. Neo 4%, NEM almost 1/4%, Ethereum Classic almost 2%, Cardano almost 0.5%, Lumens, yes, almost up 10%, BitConnect up almost 2%, Waves, it's looking real pretty green here in the crypto market, 36, wow. 53. Nice, beautiful, beautiful day. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently sitting at 8,251. Don't forget that JP Morgan scandal. Come on, guys, how could you let me down? I'm still saying it's gonna hit 10K before 2018. That's just my personal opinion. I'm no financial advisor. I just look at the charts and I trade them. So that's that. Let's see. Daily didn't show me much. Just showed me we're stuck in consolidation. Looks like we have pretty solid support here at 7,800. I don't think it'll break below that. Looks like we actually have a triangle forming now that I look at it. I'm probably going to have to take a look at the smaller time frames. So we're definitely stuck in consolidation. Breakout coming soon towards the upside, towards the downside. I don't know yet. I'm thinking the upside. I'm bullish Bitcoin. I'm sorry. Hate to be biased, but that's just me. But if it does show us a break to the downside, I'll definitely be looking out for that. Let's see. Up, down, up, down. Now looking at the 15-minute chart. I believe we possibly bounce off 8,200. Zone this off. Probably a bounce around here. Let's do it this way. I like this level. I believe we'll see a bounce off that zone. Don't quote me on this. It's just my personal opinion and my technical analysis. But I believe we'll see a bounce off here, and then possibly a bounce towards the upside. The only way I could see Bitcoin coming down is if something about Bitcoin is just bad news, just shoots it down. But I don't think that's gonna happen. It could, don't get me wrong, but I think we'll see a bounce off this uptrend line and this triangle here, or this pennant, I guess you could say. Is it a bullish pennant? Is that what that is? Looks like it. Looks like this was its drive and then our pennant forming. I'm still saying bounce off the trend line, break towards the upside. I believe we'll see 10K before 2018's over. That's just my personal opinion. Call me crazy. Heard that before. But well, that's just my opinion. Bitcoin to 10K before this year's over. Ethereum is looking very nice. Ethereum finally broke out of this 340 resistance. It looks like its next target is 400. I believe we'll break 400. But let's take a look at the 4 hour really quick and show you guys what happened. So Ethereum, as you can tell, was struggling here with 340. Came up, couldn't break through, came back down, tested our uptrend line, came back up, couldn't break to 340, came back down to test our uptrend again. Came up again, failed to break, came back down, but this time we found support here at the 320, as you could tell. And so we failed to break, came back down, but this time we broke through. And not only did we break through, but it looks like we already came down to test it for support. Not only once, but here at the 350. So it looks like we have support here at 350. And this is why I'm saying we're going to break this 400, 450 area. Let's go back to the daily. What I believe will happen is, and this is just my opinion again, guys. Here, let's take a look at the weekly actually. Oh, beautiful. There we go. So Ethereum on the weekly here looks much, much nicer. What I believe we'll see is price is going to break out of this 450, what is it, 420 high? No pun intended. Is that really the high? Wow, that really is the high. No pun intended. The high of Ethereum of all time is 420. We're going to break through the 420. Oh, I went too far. Sorry, go back. So we're gonna break through 420. I believe hit 500. Right about here. Come back down, and then continue towards the upside. That's scenario A. Or what I believe will also happen is we will just possibly break through 500. Won't even be a resistance for us, and we'll go straight to 750. But I believe that'll be a resistance for us. I don't think this is gonna happen before 2018. It could be. Don't get me wrong. It definitely could. But it looks like Ethereum is just moving a little bit slower than the other ones. But those are my two scenarios for Ethereum. I don't think it's coming down. As you can tell, we finally have a break towards the upside. This is a nice strong weekly candle, and here's our second one that's coming. So I believe we'll break 420, come down, find support, and then continue up, or just go straight towards the 750. And that's my technical for Ethereum. Let's take a look over at Litecoin. Litecoin was also about 2 weeks ago, and I'm saying Litecoin is going to hit $80 before 2018. And it definitely looks like it is. This was a signal I gave out a long time ago. This is our uptrend. Still following, as you can tell, following that 14 EMA now. But guys, I'm thinking about, what's it called, adding some Forex trading videos to this channel, since that's like my main, but crypto is just kind of like the journey I'm taking with you guys pretty much. But that way you guys can kind of understand, the technicals that I'm kind of looking at, and you guys can, do your own technical analysis and send it to me, and we can share our analysis and both make money. I'm always down. But I'm here sharing my analysis with you guys because it's just fun. So, but currently, let's see. So Litecoin, this is when we made the video, broke out, rejected at the 65, but this time we came back down where we broke out of, and we found support here at 580. We were stuck in consolidation for a bit, came back out, we broke out once more to the 772 was our high, came back down, and we found support here at 65. Made a new high, came back down, higher low here at 68. This is the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, see if we can get a better look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, I don't know what happened, guys. Huh. That was weird. Anyways, so back to the 4 hour. Alright. So in the 4 hour, you can tell we get much cleaner look. It looks. So this is when we sent out that video. So we broke out, came back down. We found support here not only once but twice on the 4 hour. We tested it. So this is the 58 zone. Came back up and we broke out once more. Found support here and here at 68. This is our resistance at 68. So previous resistance becomes support as shown here. But we found support here at 66 first and then 68. And it looks like we're actually going to break out of this 70 zone. And if we do break out and close above this zone, I do believe we will continue to the $80. Definitely before 2018. We'll most likely, I don't know about before 2018, but it looks like we're going to be definitely heading to our second take profit, which is here at the $100. Once we hit the $100, I do expect us to double top for a bit and come back down and possibly find support maybe here at the 70 and continue back up, or possibly just continue here to the 80 and then continue back up. But it looks like Litecoin will definitely be hitting $80 before the year is over. I don't see anything stopping it. As you guys can tell here, we broke out, came back down to find support, and then found support again. No signs of it reversing, so I'm bullish on Litecoin as well. And last but not least, let's take a look at ADA or Cardano. And I'm interested in Cardano pretty much because of their wallet. I don't know why, I just find their wallet really interesting. And they're going to be, they're a proof of stake coin, but not able to stake yet. I believe that's going to be coming with the update, at least not to my knowledge that you're able to stake right now. If you are, please leave the link down below. I'm trying to figure that out as well. But this is my analysis for ADA. As you can tell, right now we are currently testing our uptrend line that started in November 2nd. Our higher highs, you would say, is here at 488, and our higher low is here at the 331 zone. We're currently looking a little bearish, but still this is a new 4-hour candle. We still have about 3 hours left on this. As you can tell, we're starting to see a lot of wicks form. Wick, 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 wick. So I'm expecting a bounce here soon, possibly. Let's go back to the daily to see what we will be bouncing to. I believe if we do see a bounce, we will come back up to meet this price. Our higher highs, you would say, and possibly go higher and form a new high. But I believe this is where our next move will go. It is a big move, but as you guys can see here on the daily, there is a big W forming in my eyes. Down here, come back down, and then we go back up. So I do believe this level here at the 426 is actually a little low, and we'll be making our move towards the 450, possibly breaking out. If not breaking out, possibly coming back down to test, and then we'll continue up. If not, I do believe this will be our move up. And then if we do, I believe our next take profit would be around here, 700. But that's not for, I'd say, weeks away. We do have an update, I believe, in 8 days for the wallet or the currency. I'm not sure. Or the company, who knows? It just says update on their website. But it looks, as you guys can tell, there's a big W forming here. So I am expecting a nice bounce off our uptrend line, possibly towards the 450, if not maybe 550. I'd love to see it go to 700, but I don't expect that to happen for a while. But I am bullish on ADA. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll leave my links down below. And that's pretty much it, guys. Take it easy. Peace.